Embark on an odyssey of a lifetime, where dreams unfold, horses roam, and your vision of a dream home takes shape. For the first time, nearly 9.5 acres of partially cleared, gently rolling terrain beckon with over 100 feet of regal road frontage on Morganton Road hits the market. Enveloped in a panoramic, pastoral, and wooded masterpiece, this land reveals itself a mere 10 minutes from the bustling heart of Maryville, with its vibrant shopping, dining, and cutting-edge medical facilities. Essential utilities, including electricity, water, cable, and internet, are at the street, ready to support your vision. The land's enchanting allure beckons deer, turkey, and a myriad of wildlife, creating a harmonious symphony with nature. Picture not just one, but multiple building sites, offering not merely a home, but an intricate, personalized landscape tailored to your deepest desires. This unique piece of land presents not one, but two extraordinary opportunities. Tract 2, sitting at 4.4 acres, and Tract 3, an expansive 5.01 acres of possibility. Don't let your dreams linger. Call today for more information or to embark on your exclusive tour. Your future home awaits.